this 1988 Porsche 944 with you guys today. It's a 2.5 fuel injected 4-cylinder non-turbo. Honestly, a pretty nice driver. Had some services within the last 30 to 40,000 miles just at the time interval. It's about 110,000 miles on the chassis, but it's been well taken care of. It's a pretty nice one, and then it's got some livable quirks, but a nice driver that you can end up, taking the age out or just enjoying with no fear of putting miles on it. The paint's not perfect, but that's kind of my speed. I'll probably end up painting or wrapping it myself later on. But we're just showcasing this for a customer off-site. Pretty much all original through. You got standard wear and tear, little seat patch with some tape there, bolster showing wear not uncommon, driver's side seat at the mileage. Let's get some power to it now, and then I'll test the lights, give this thing a run, and get a little drive time as well.
Allstate first.
Alright, testing the sunroof. It looks like the switch itself, an accessory and power on, just does not release our rear latches for us, so I think I've got non-function out of the sunroof. You can tell where the mirrors come off. The customer hasn't replaced the windshield or anything. Should still have the meter to supply with it. Factory glove box, nothing additional there.
acts like it